Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the L2 Uptown, in Dallas, Texas, and I'm looking at their one bedroom. This is a quick walk through just so you can see it. We just walked through the door there, and this is what it looks like. So you've got this pretty kitchen, really cute, great appliances with the ice maker. All the appliances you need are here. Good space. I like the spacing. I like it that it's got the area that you can just put some chairs in there and have a table. You don't even need a table. You have a washer dryer over there. You've got kind of a little bar area and a little decoration area. You've got this nice living room. This is a lot of space. It feels very spacious. This also feels very wide. So they've got some furniture here. You can do a lot more with it actually. You can add another table. You can even add a desk over there, make it a work area. This is the bedroom. The bedroom's cool. It's a king bed, so there's plenty of space in here too. Got two really big windows. That's really nice. And then here is the bedroom, the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty cool. It's got a really big mirror, light, and then here's the shower. Really nice backsplash there. There's the tub, and then here's the closet. The closet has good space. There's a lot of storage, and then all through here, there's actually 3 off-season racks. That's pretty cool. So sure love seeing that. That's pretty amazing. So anyway, this is what it looks like here at the L2 in their one bedroom. This is their quick walkthrough. Hey, if you're liking what you're seeing, what I recommend is send me a text and just say, hey Grant, I'd like to check out more of the L2. You don't have to come and visit in person. You can just start with a virtual tour and we'll walk around just like we're doing now, but it'll be just for you and give you a virtual tour of the area and you can see it. And we'll actually see apartments that would fit your needs, your budget range, whatever you like. And we'll take care of that even as early as today. So send the text in and just say, hey, Grant, I'd like to see more. And we'll get you this information about this L2 Uptown and get that tour going for you 100% free at all times. You can also ask questions, by the way, about Uptown Dallas or about just Dallas apartments. Happy to answer those at any time. Send in that text to me and just say hi.